Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to Rock Cee Lo. This exciting dice game involves 3 standard 6-sided dice and a bit of luck. The main objective is to roll specific combinations that either win instantly, lose instantly, or establish a point. Understanding these key rolls is crucial for playing effectively. We'll cover the basic setup and the flow of a typical round, ensuring you're ready to join in the fun. Get ready to learn the ins and outs of this classic game. Playing ceelo is straightforward once you know the steps. Each player takes a turn rolling all 3 dice. Your first roll determines your fate for that round. If you hit an immediate win or loss, the round concludes. Otherwise, you'll establish a point. The dice are then passed to the next player, who attempts to roll a better outcome or match your point. It's a game of anticipation and quick decisions, keeping everyone engaged. To truly rock ceelo, you need to know the winning rolls. The absolute best roll is a 4-5-6, which grants an automatic win. Another powerful combination is rolling any triple, such as 3 6s or 3 1s. Higher triples always beat lower triples, so 3 5s would beat 3 4. These rolls instantly secure your victory, making them the most sought-after outcomes in the game. Aim for these to maximize your chances of winning big. Not every roll is a winner and some are automatic losses. Rolling a 1-2-3 is an instant loss, ending your turn immediately. If you roll 2 matching dice, the third die becomes your point. For example, if you roll 2 4s and a 5, your point is 5. Subsequent players must then roll a higher point to win, or they can also establish their own point. It's all about beating the current high score.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.